What's up, guys? As you could tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be bleaching and dyeing my hair today. This is the natural color and I washed it 2 days ago. So yeah, this is just my plain old natural hair. And yeah, so it's been a long time since I did anything to it, so I'm just due for a change and I'm bored and I've been really loving teal hair lately. So I'm gonna be, first and foremost, disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I didn't go to school for this. If you are trying to take my advice here, I mean, do it at your own discretion. I'm not claiming to be a professional, nor am I suggesting that this is what you do. So if you decide to follow my lead and you fuck up your hair, just saying, I told you, I warned you. So we're just gonna wing it. I'm not gonna pay to go to a salon because I'm one of those idiots who will end up fucking up my hair and then going to have it fixed after. So that's that. But I've dyed my hair when I was like a teenager. I've had my hair every color, literally. Like I used to have a death hawk, a thicker mohawk, if you don't know what it is, and a purple one. So I'm not really worried about it. But this is the longest my hair has ever been, and it's pretty freaking healthy. So if I mess it up, I mean, I can always get a trim and dye it black. I'm not really that worried about it. So anyway, we're gonna be using a 30 volume developer, and it's just a 4-ounce one because I'm not gonna be doing my whole head. I'm just gonna be doing like maybe like up to here and like kind of like sort of like ombre. And then I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Quick Blue, and I just got one packet. Like I said, I'm not trying to do my whole head here. And then I got the is it Ion Color Brilliance Bright Semi-Permanent. It's in the color Jade. It's teal. And on the little tester thing, it was like the exact same color that I wanted. I don't want like blue, I want teal, you know, like true teal. So hopefully I can get my hair light enough. But if it's a darker shade, then I'm cool with that too. And then of course I have my gloves. So let's get into this. Yeah, wish me luck, guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix this bleach up as per the instructions. You just mix one of these packets to 2 ounces of the developer. So just half of the little bottle that I got. So I'm just going to put like half. One more for good luck. Okay. Alright. And then I need to get something to mix this. Alright, I'm so professional. I don't have a freaking mixing brush. I used to have one. I don't know where the hell it went. So I'm just using a damn comb. I mean, whatever. Alright. I can always cut and dye it black, right? I mean, okay. So it's mixed. And now I'm going to section off my hair. So my goal here is to get it like a, like I said, like an ombre color. So we're just going to go ahead and work the bleach up the shaft and see how it goes. guys, so my hair is totally saturated and now I'm just gonna wait. It said to do it for 40 minutes, so no longer than 40 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer. What time is it? 4:46. So I will be back and show you how it rinsed out. This is how it came out. It's not as bright as I was hoping it would be, considering I have virgin hair that I was working on, but that's okay. I didn't want my teal to be too bright anyway, so hopefully this will work. But overall, the damage isn't too terrible. Anytime you bleach, obviously it's gonna get damaged, so I was expecting that. But it's still pretty soft and it still has some shine to it. Like I said, my camera sucks and the lighting sucks, but yeah, that's what it is. If all else fails with this teal, I'm gonna go ahead and do a color strip and then bleach it again in like a week or so I can deep condition it and I don't completely fry my hair off. But yeah, it's all up there, fully saturated. And also, I give very good advice but very seldom follow it. Use gloves. Please use gloves. Like, I'm supposed to go get my nails done this weekend. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm gonna go wait and rub my hands with alcohol. Try to Google some ways to get this shit off my hands. Alright guys, so it is the morning after and this is the final look and it is absolutely perfect. It's exactly how I wanted it. I wanted it more on the green side versus the blue side of being teal, and I'm spreading it out so you guys can see the color and the sun's coming in that way, but whatever. So this is how it came out. I think it's perfect. This is exactly how I wanted it. What I did after the last clip was I rinsed out the hair dye and then I put deep conditioner in it and then I left that on for an hour and then I rinsed that out and then I put some It's a 10 leave-in conditioning treatment in it and I left that on for like 5 minutes to let it, you know, soak in, and then I blow dried it and I slept on it, and this is morning after. I haven't brushed it or anything this morning. I probably should have before doing this, but whatever. I just wanted you guys to see in the sun. And I just got back from dropping my child off at school, so, you know, whatever. But, yeah, so I'm really, really pleased. So the only thing I'm going to change is that I'm going to bleach the tips again, just about that much, and then I'm going to fade it to a mint green color. And if you guys want to see how I do that, let me know. I don't know if I'm going to film it yet, but, like I said, you can follow my social media links. And yeah, so there's like a spot or two that I didn't put enough hair dye on, so they look kind of like tingy brown, but that can be fixed by just adding more hair dye, so I'm not really worried about it. Yeah, so please be advised that I am not a professional. I did not go to school for this. This is just me showing you guys how I do it at home. I'm one of those kinds of people who I like to watch tutorials on YouTube so that I can learn how to do it and then try to attempt it at home myself versus going and spending big bucks at a salon, because I'm just cheap like that, and if I fuck up, I fuck up. So I figured I'd show you guys how I did it if any of you guys are like that too. So if you decide to do this at home and you fry your hair off, please don't come for me, because I warned you that I'm not a professional. But anyways, what else? I guess that's it. Also, if you have any tips or tricks on how to get this off my hands, please let me know, because I used rubbing alcohol and nail polish remover and it did a little bit, but yeah, all it really did was kill my cuticles. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos. I'm planning on doing videos once a week. I'm pushing myself to try and do that. Yeah, I guess that's all. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and bye.